Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. It's a bright sunny day, and I just got back from the food pantry. Oh, God.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, just got back from the food pantry, and I want to show you what I got. I got some really good items, and a very scarce item that you usually don't get. So come on, let's take a look. We are starting from left to the right. All right. Excuse me, everyone. Look at this. I got some baker's chocolate. I'm going to get this to Miss Brenda so she can make some of those decadent cookies. Oh, yes. I got some raisins, some walnuts. Ooh, some oatmeal. Love that. I also got some pasta. So just in time for the holiday weekend, I'm going to do a huge thing of macaroni and cheese, my smoky macaroni and cheese. I have a video on that, how to make it. I also got 2 containers of macaroni and cheese, which I'll probably add to this and make it a match pasta like I did before. That's going to be good. Now over here, look you all, I got some gourmet coffee. This is something me and Uncle Mike love and crave. We do coffee. In fact, right here. So I will let you all know how this tasted. I've never seen this before, but hey, gonna try it. Then we got some spaghetti sauce, low sodium, which I love, whole kernel corn, no salt. And I got some cut green beans. I got some mixed veggies, no salt. 2 cans of black beans, 2 cans of tomato soup, which I and Jay just adore. We got some spaghetti rings, some diced pears, which I don't know. I might make a drink out of those. I think I will. A wine spritzer type margarita thing. We'll see. Oh, we got 2 packs of the apple trio. Yes, yes, yes. Jay loves these. He loves them. Now we're going to skip over here to our dry ingredients of beans. I got some split peas, which I'm going to do. And I got a bag of pinto beans, which I have to decide, am I going to serve these that day or for some other occasion? I'll see, because that'd keep a long, long time. Now, we did get some some long grain white rice. This is good. Yep. I just did some stir-fried rice, y'all. Some fried rice. Yes, shrimp fried rice. I'll have that video up today as well. Look at this. We got some fruit. We got 3 tangerines. We've got 4 apples. Another mango. Oh, yeah. Then we got some onions. 6 of those. Yep. Some applesauce. Now, this natural mango, I'm going to show you how you take that and turn it into the mango margarita. Yes. We got some Rice Krispies. Well, knockoff version. Now, I've never had this before. It's not milk. Plant-based chocolate. Huh. I'll let Jay tell you how this tastes, because me and chocolate, nah, I'm not into chocolate. No. Then we got peanut butter. Yes. Macaroni cheese. Yes. What is macaroni cheese, guys? Cheddar, of course. And I got a whole block, but I got some more from my grocery haul. Then I got that wonderful, I love this stuff, this premium chicken. You can make chicken salad. You can make chicken tacos. This stuff is wonderful. You can also put it in your soup. Your ramen. Oh, yes. Then I got some drumsticks, 5 pounds. This is right on time for the barbecue. I cannot wait. This is going to be so cool. Oh, We got some ground beef. A whole pound of that. I believe this is a pound. Yeah. I'm going to do some tacos with that. And speaking of tacos, I got some tortilla shells. Oh, we got some disinfectant wipes. That's wonderful. Now, let's get a good pan. This is a blessing because it's right on time for the holiday. Yes. I am so glad we got this. The ideas for this stuff is endless. We can make cookies. We can make soups. We can make, believe it or not, some salads, cold pasta salads if we wanted to, using the veggies and some meat and some salad dressing. All right. All right, nieces and nephews, it is a bright and sunny day. Thank you for watching. Also, watch for my video tonight with the shrimp fried rice. I got a surprise for you. I tried it before. Not good. I tried it this time. Well, you got to tune in to see the result.
Don't forget about Dean on the scene.
Oh, and Dean on the scene. Come here. Surprise, y'all. Guess who's here?
Hey, nieces and nephews, how we doing today? Happy holidays to everyone. I'm finally going to make my jambalaya. We're going to be filming it tomorrow, and I'm going to be filming another side, my famous barbecue beans. I've been missing my Uncle Chris. Where you been, Uncle Chris? Okay, I've been busy and stuff, y'all. So we finally going to get them, the jambalaya and barbecue beans. Look for it tomorrow or Monday.
Yes, because guess who's going to be eating it? All right. I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and check out Dean on the scene. He's going to have his page up real soon, okay? All right, y'all.
Nieces and nephews, bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got